A little something, something, something like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Zafro back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair. So the first portion is going to be a sit down talk through, just quickly explaining what products I use, blow dryer that I use, and then I'll show you the actual visual of me blow drying my hair because it was quite late at night, so yeah, the lighting was not how I ideally want it, but anyway, we move. So firstly, you're going to hop into products. So I use a combination of two products before I then put heat on my hair. Firstly, I go in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion with shea butter, peppermint and keratin, and I absolutely love this when I'm putting heat on my hair. Honestly, I didn't even realise, but I read the ingredients or the description and it actually said it has heat protecting qualities in it. This precious oil-based lotion protects while restoring moisture and lustrous shine to dull, damaged or chemically processed hair. Perfect for those who regularly colour, straighten, perm or heat style their hair. So it's good for that because obviously it must have some protective qualities if it's good for putting heat on your hair. So yeah, it's really good, really moisturising. So I use this, and then I use it in combination with a heat protectant. This was my first time using this particular heat protectant. I usually go in with the Oars one. Oars? I think that's how I say it. I'll pop it on the screen. That's what I usually use, but I'm not at home and that's at home, so I picked this one up, which is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Heat Protector and Smooth and Shine Polisher. So that's what I use this time round, but I would say use the Oars one because the combination of that and the Shea Moisture is bomb. It's beautiful, but I use this and it still works just as well, but the Oars work slightly better in my opinion. But yeah, so I use those two products on my hair. So as soon as I come out the shower or the bath, however I'm washing my hair, I usually wash my hair over the bath. I put in leave-in straight away, so usually my hair's in sections, and then afterwards I'll go in and put the heat protectant and the Shea Moisture styling lotion, and then I would braid each section up, so there'll be a total of 8 braids on my hair because my hair is quite thick, so I need to section my hair when I'm blow drying it into quite a bit of sections. So I usually do 8 sections, and sometimes certain parts of my hair are thicker than others, so sometimes I'll divide certain sections into 2 again just so I can quickly blow dry it and it's easier for me. So this depends on how thick your hair is, to be honest, with how many sections that you need. So I braid my hair, I braid it up to stretch it, so when I come to that actual blow drying process, my hair's already at a decent stretch, not overly stretched because obviously it's not been in a braid for too long, but enough so there's more stretch and then it's easy to blow dry because yeah, that's why I do that. Okay, so now time for the actual blow drying process. So you're gonna see footage of me blow drying my hair. I'm just gonna talk for a bit and then just put some music on in the background and so you guys can watch that. So I should have previously explained what I use, which products I use and everything. So yeah, and explained why my hair's in braids. It's to stretch it out, and also it's just easier because it's already in sections. I usually have 4 sections, and within those sections I've got 2 braids per section. So it'll be 8 braids in total. Yeah, I'm probably gonna switch to a voiceover because I don't really like blow drying my hair as it is. It's a lot of hair, it's a lot of patience, it's a lot of effort. Even though this blow dry makes it so much easier, but okay. This one is one I recommend using. It saves me so much effort because the comb attachments always fall when I'm trying to blow dry my hair. I'm like, I don't have the time. I already don't. Like that. First of all, I sort of get the blow drying brush and I hold it at a length. I basically use the tension method, but with the blow drying brush. That's the best way I can explain it. So I use the tension for a bit and then I gradually, slowly, very slowly brush through my hair, keeping it stretched at all times. So yeah, it's a combination of the tension method and just brushing through my hair because it is a hairbrush blow dryer. Anyway, back to the actual blow drying. I'm just going to leave you guys to watch me blow dry my hair because it's pretty straightforward. I use the tension method and brush my hair out. Make sure to do it slowly, very slowly. If you just do it quick, then you're not going to get the stretch effect. It's going to just be blech. Your hair's not going to come out the way you want it. So take your time, be patient, use the tension method, go slowly, and eventually your hair will be stretched. And yeah, it's a really short process. It only took me, I think, about 30 minutes, and I've got a lot of hair, so yeah, it's really efficient.
You know what I'm saying?
So now to talk about the blow dryer. You're gonna see me use the blow dryer in clips. I'm not gonna actually open the box because I've already packed it away and that's long. But this is the blow dryer. It's the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. And it's basically a blow drying hairbrush, and this has saved me so much battles with that comb attachment when I'm blow drying, because that comb attachment will just continuously just fall off when I'm blow drying my hair. I ain't got time. I ain't got time for that. So yeah, the brush has been a good alternative for that because it's not gonna fall off. So yeah, that saved me time, and also just gripping it like a brush has made it easier because obviously that handle doesn't get hot, and when you're using a blow dryer the handle can get very hot, and sort of how you hold it can get hot. So it will be cool if someone releases a blow dryer that has a comb attachment but is permanently on, because then that would be easier. No, because the comb really helps blow dry the roots and everything. That's the only thing. It is slightly hard to blow dry the roots with this blow dryer, but not impossible at all. You just have to remember to keep the heat at your roots a bit more so that your roots can actually get blow dried, otherwise they'll still be a bit wavy once you finish blow drying your hair. But yeah, that's the blow dryer. That's one I use. I've been using this for about a year now, I want to say, and honestly I don't dread blow drying my hair as much. I still dread it, but not as much as I did before. So yeah.